Hello everyone. So here's a quick tip on how to download a specific folder from a GitHub repository. Here I am in this Google Chrome repository, which is all about building Chrome extensions, and it contains a lot of samples. Now this repository is really big. It's around 120 megabytes if you clone it locally. But all I wanted to do was to find a specific folder inside this repository. So I'm going to go into functional samples, and then inside this folder I just wanted to download a specific folder. And this is really lightweight. It contains just a few files. It's just a few kilobytes. So it doesn't make sense to download or clone the whole repository. If you can see here in the instructions, it says in order to run this extension, you have to clone the repository and then load this directory into Chrome. But I didn't want to do that, so here's how you can do it. First thing you have to make sure is that you are signed in, so you have to be logged in into GitHub, otherwise this trick won't work. And the next thing you have to do is you can either change the address from github.com right here to github.dev to go into developer mode, or you can press the dot on your keyboard and you will immediately transfer it into the developer experience, into the developer mode of the GitHub repository. So this is kind of like running VS Code on the browser. And right now you can go inside this folder, find any folder that you would like to download. So for example, let's say this one. I'm going to right click. There's a pop-up asking me to whether I want to share text and images, copy to the clipboard. I will not allow this for now. So right clicking on any folder now allow me to click download and download just this specific folder onto my computer. I'm going to click download. I'm going to pick a specific folder, click select, and there's a pop-up that asks me whether I want to allow this site to view and copy files in that particular folder. I'm going to allow this. Then it also asks me whether I want to save changes to that particular folder. I'm also going to click on Save Changes, and it now downloads the folder, this particular folder, in my local folder. It's around 3 kilobytes, and right now I can also go and download another folder. So download. So that's it for today. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe and get notified about any upcoming videos, and hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye.